GM, everybody!
Oh, not everyone did.
Still my favorite intro, bro. How are we, guys? How is everybody? Oil is absolutely going crazy right now. Let's see what else we got. I'm gonna have to just long it here. GM chat says, I miss you, bro. Hey, I'm back now, bro. I'm back. I was live yesterday and we had some like lag, so yeah, now at least we can run this properly. I took a long on oil. If you want a long oil, you'll find Blowfin in the Discord channel below. Cheeky DGM one. Let's get this chart all nice. Bro, these stocks like a cheat code or something. Let's get some chill. Is anybody else long oil? Can't wait for the micro strategy long. GM, everybody, welcome to the stream. We're gonna go Asian session into American session today. What's up, Philip? Welcome. Just finished our Fibonacci course as well. That's gonna be posted soon. GM, what's up, my bro? How you doing? Caught a nice trade on heavy, up about 700. Also up 400 on punch as well, 1.5k total. I'll drop these in the Telegram. How do I always find a good trade? 786-886, bro, on the Discord. The Discord's always got the alpha. I'm gonna drop wins in the wins channel quickly of the Discord. Punch is looking great, I must say. Clear skies now as well, up to 12 million. Did I rebuy today? I bought yesterday at the 886. Always when everyone gives up is the best time to buy. Yeah. Not gonna lie, always. Like if we look at deck screener, it's a clearer chart. Mogging looks good. Added a little bit more for mogging. Did any of you guys buy oil? Also in distorted. Distorted, however, is not as strong. No, the actual oil, not the meme coin. The actual oil, you can long it on Blowfin. Yes, I need to fix that. I just bought some Agent Smith as well. Let's see how much he has to buy back. We're also holding Scuba, however, Scuba is quite low volume. Altcoin. I want to accumulate some more. I'm gonna wait. Yo, can I ask you something? Do you use your M4 for streaming? Yeah, I use a Mac Mini for streaming. I have two. I have one for my OpenClaw, and I have another for streaming. Mac Minis are very good, bro. Like, they're very good tech. They work extremely well. They don't really overheat. They're reliable. You can max out all their ports with no issues. Like, I have multiple cables on my Mac Mini and no issues. Bullish on Mac Mini, yeah. OG Mac Mini was crazy, right? The actual meme coin is crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, you can run OBS Studio on it just fine. Okay, we're getting a bounce on Smith, Mr. Smith. What is a Mac Mini and how do you use it? A Mac Mini is one of these, bro. One of these. You use it as like a PC, so you connect it to your a computer and it turns it into like a proper PC. It's like one of the smallest, most efficient PCs on the market. They're very good. Hey, thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man. I need to turn that sound effect off, right? Inshallah, I'm gonna join you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pull up, bro. The Discord's open. It's free. You can join anytime you want, bro. Yeah, that's it, bro. You just need any monitor and a MacBook. Like any monitor and a Mac Mini. Mac Minis are like they're super cheap considering the power that they use. Okay, we don't need any of that. Yeah, that's the thing with PCs. They don't update very well. I haven't given my opinions on that yet, actually. Let me have a look. What's it called again? The Solana prop firm. How it works. Professional capital, infinite Solana scale, access 100 grand of USDC to trade meme coins, DeFi, and altcoins. Can have a maximum of 5 open positions, structure positions, gradual scaling. How do the payouts work? Yeah, you could trade meme coins apparently. How'd you get paid out? You remember TikTok 100x? That was actually a crazy 100x. Distorted dip. What do I think? I'm in. I'm DCAing. I mean, I actually did the appropriate sizing, so I'm not oversized. We're DCAing the correct range too. Average entry is the 786. We played this like very well in terms of entries. Like if we look at, I'm gonna have a bunch of limit orders on this, but if we look at the entire chart, 7 mil runner down 80-90%. Let's get rid of this pop. So where the hell is the pop noise coming from, man? Bruh. Oh, nice. Oh, I want to get rid of this pop. Just rage ban. Okay, nice. We're 20% on Smith. Nothing crazy yet. Still waiting to see if we can actually settle. Okay, so it's for buy and sell. What do you think? Are you actually going to get in? You think it's any good? Sheep was a good cook. I've seen some people get paid out well. Hmm. Yeah, I just have no idea where that noise is coming from. GM, welcome to the stream, bro. How you doing? Bro, actually bugging. Let me try. We are long on oil too. You good? Good to hear, bro. Okay, Smith has motion. Hey, you like the vlog, right? Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. If you guys haven't seen the vlog yet, check it out. The quality is like it's insane. Yeah, man. If you haven't seen the vlog, check it out. Some people took the title to heart. It was a joke. Humble life of a trillionaire. The guy's like, "There's only one trillionaire." I'm like, "Yeah, bro, I know." Yeah, thank you. Check it out. It's I'll drop it in the comments. What camera? I think it's like Sony A7. Okay, we've got motion on Smith right now. This is good. This means we can actually trade this chart. It's a lot stronger chart than distorted. Although distorted is like double the market cap. Agent Netanyahu is kind of funny. He hasn't confirmed agent mode. Bought Cog Island. Well, I wish I could buy an island, bro. That would be crazy. Imagine the vlogs we could do on an island. That would be insane. I'd actually do some crazy stuff. Let's go to the toilet. I'll do some crazy stuff on the island. Back. Yo, live on YouTube now? Yeah, I live on both. If you mean the YouTube video, it's live on YouTube. But normally my main streaming platform is YouTube. But for the Trench House, I didn't want to go live on YouTube just in case we get banned, you know? That's interesting. They're actually running with the Chinese yuan. We want to get a dip now. It's bonded. This can run really high because of the narrative. What the hell? Right, well, I have some exposure. If I get filled, I get filled. Yeah, I think there's consensus that this yen is just a better narrative. Let me try to get 2%. Have I seen meme card? Meme card? This is a rug. That's a scam coin, that one. Send me the CA if there's another one. Thing is, Chinese yuan is genuinely a narrative that I can see going like very high. Like a few million. Thank you for the new subscriber. Do you like my subscriber emoji? Yeah, I mean, the market's agreeing. Mr. Smith is looking okay. We didn't get a huge amount of size in, but it's okay. We're going to let it run. Interesting to see people hedging in this one. I will hedge in the PVP too. Recently, they've been bundling these coins to bonding, the PVP. Send me the CA for this meme card you're talking about though. The one I see is it's a farm. Okay, we'll close this trade for 700. We still have distorted that we're DCAing too. The yuan is a good narrative. It should be. It should be higher. I'm hedged in this one. I mean, to be honest, it's probably done. Hopefully our hedge gets us even. Oh no. Welcome to the stream. If you've just tuned in, we're going to be live streaming through US session as well, an Asian session. If you're new to trading, there are two main time. Ooh, what's this? Encryption. I always struggle with like the Chinese ones. I don't really understand what they are. We're about to migrate now for yuan as well. So the hedge paid out. The chart's just getting battered right now though. So if you see there was some PVP. So we hedged in the pre-migration one, which brings us technically back to break even. There's no telling that they both might not rug though. So I'll take out my initials in this one. And then if this goes, it goes. Hola, 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 hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien? If this chart actually starts getting some motion, you know, can always add back in. So far, we're technically down like $120. Yet, finished your statement. Yeah, so right now we're trading in EU hours, which is like Europe hours and Asia hours. So you can see that's why BNB is doing quite well. This evening, which is in about a few hours for me, like 4 or 5 hours, will be American session. That's where you get a lot more volume in charts. Normally you see like you can see big news. You see maybe the president speaking, a lot of PvP on charts as well. You get a lot more action in American session. No TP here. Could still run up, but normally if there's PvP and the second one doesn't get going, they both go to zero. Smith is looking very good. Bounced well. On our way to our first TP. Yo, what's good? What's good, my bro? How you doing? How you doing, Peter? Welcome to the stream. So we was looking at this Solana funded thing. Does anybody know how the payouts work with this? Built for Solana meta. High speed, low fees, no legacy bottlenecks. Trade any CA with funded capital. Instant on-chain payouts. Keep 90% of your trading profits. There's no way these guys are going to pay out. Somebody's going to hit like a fucking Mudang. What if somebody hits a Mudang? You got to pay out $1 million. Do I have any job you can do for one soul? No, right now, but I'll do some giveaways. I could do some giveaways for stream. The vlog was amazing. Thank you. Everyone likes the vlog. Everyone likes the vlog. W chat. W chat. Hey. I don't know. I'm speechless, isn't it? Like, I was a bit nervous dropping the vlog, I'll be honest. Because I didn't really know how it would be, like, perceived or received. But I'm glad a lot of people like it. Oh, I think this is Rogue Range. Yeah. But yeah, I'm glad people like it. I'm getting better at trading new pairs as well. Since me and Alex, I've got better at trading new pairs. The vlog was cool, mate. Thank you, bro. There was, I don't know if like, chat. Let me know. Did you think that title was serious? Like, some people thought I was being serious with the title. I was genuinely not. It was a joke. I don't know if people realize I am not a trillionaire yet. Maybe one day. Look, there was a. I don't know where the comment was. Bro is on Billy already. Soon, man. Soon. God willing, soon, bro. Yeah, like the thing is trading is all about patience, so that you can't really be a yeah, like you said, can't be too ADHD trading. We got a very nice entry on this though, like considering we didn't even do it with much size. Normally here, like nowadays I try to get 1-2%, but I'm down to DCA. Cool as ice. Thank you, my bro. Mogging as well. I think mogging's pretty good. Mogging hasn't got a strong price action as Agent now. Monsieur Agent Smith. For some reason, there is no more buybacks as well. The hell are you? 22 minutes old. The Lone Bear. Whoa. People do normally like these narratives, no? The loneness. I personally think the narratives are quite dry, but the market likes it. Nothing to buy. I'm in positions already. I'm in Smith. Bought the dip on a distorted punch, mogging, and scuba. They're like actual narratives. Wow. Huh. Cheeky buggers. Cope. This is a 100K image though, isn't it? You look at that image like, that's a 100K market cap right there. Soulport Tom talked about buyback. Soulport Tom needs to get back in the trenches, bro. He needs to lock in. Alright, we pretty much got our initials out, 1% Moonbag. Up 40% on Smith. Such incredibly low size. I was expected to stay down there for a little bit, like distorted. Get some DCAs before the next buyback. Let's try to get 1-2%. He had like 7 grand worth of funds to do buybacks on this agent. Look, if you go on Smith, check pump for migrated, and then click tokenize agent, it will show you. You guys can clip this, by the way, for how to have a look at it. But you can see it's got 100% buyback range. There's been 0 claims. And then payments, you can see he's got 131 SOL for payments. And he's only done 2 buybacks. And no claims. So there's a big catalyst that this could run. I'm just gonna wait. I want to get a good amount of supply, but I want to get it at the right price, you know. Bear's about to migrate now as well. There we go. Richard is holding it for free, a free Moonbag. Right now, we're trading in. Right now, we're trading in. Bonk crimed Ollie's 2 days ago. Send me the CA for this. I didn't know there's a bonk coin running. I can't lie, this horse is so funny, man, but the chart is not funny. I'll tell you what, I'll buy it if it bonds. Bear is going nicely. And Agent Smith cooking. I don't want to have TPs for Agent Smith because I do think it can make new highs if it actually buys. It's only done 2 buybacks, which is weird. Like you'd expect more than just 2 buybacks, right? Ty, welcome back, brother. Hey man, for your information, it wasn't someone pretending to be very convincing, asked me to send your wallet. No, bro. I'm never gonna ask you to. I'm never gonna ask you for money, send me your wallet, anything, bro. The only thing I ask you to do is like and subscribe. Like the stream, subscribe if you haven't already. That's the only thing I ask you guys to do. That's it. Motors Phoenix. Should be Motors. Okay, so there's PvP over there. Okay, I bought some more beer because it's holding strong. Someone just sold into my buy, but are we really doing this? Double, triple? What in the holy bundle is this? That was weird. Mom going wild? Can you send the CA just individually so I can copy and paste it? Yeah, I mean, this is very bearish.
Definitely some incredible tech. It's groundbreaking. Very, very impressive. If you're living under the rock, I can put you up to speed. So OpenClaw is definitely something they do anyway. Because the opportunity keeps dashboard that they built. This guy went long, and this is a big well. Hey, great, useful, and more important, or OpenClaw to something more important than just creating bots that you just chat to all day and burning tokens. The same with arbitrage. I'm also going to add another dashboard here, another container that is purely tracking arbitrage opportunities.
Have I been to Japan? I want to go, bro. I want to go to Japan. Like, should I vlog? Let me know, chat. Do you think I should vlog from Japan? I don't know if you see my last vlog. You can check it out. But I think we should vlog from Japan, right? But like aura, like I pull up samurai sword in the left hand. You know what I mean? Samurai sword and shit. So anime shit, all of this shit. But yeah, bro, fuck it, Japan, Dubai. Dubai is I have Dubai. I have the Dubai vlog. I have my Dubai vlog coming. Dubai one's coming, but I need to do I need to drop it. You guys see the outro, right? So the outro is like this. I'm gonna drop this video soon as
The
well.
next episode, should we go to Dubai? Yeah. Fuck it. I'll see you over there.
Yeah. Missiles flying over the roof. Rockets. Woo! I can't lie, crazy outro. You know, the first seen that outro, I fell off my chair. I was like, holy.
What are you doing? Sit down.
3, 2, 1. Give me your.
Also, guys, we are long on oil. If you're doing a long oil, join the Discord. Links in the description. You can join Blowfin. 20% deposit bonus. Slap it on oil. Go for a week. Hey, you guys want to see something interesting as well? Check this out. I'm going to do a reaction video so someone can clip it. Give me 1 second. Chat, have you guys seen this video? Yeah, Loopy and Kabo in Japan. I don't know if Loopy is there. I know Kabo is. But I'm cool as fuck. Thank you, bro.
See, I haven't seen yet your lecture about crypto, and now that the Epstein files have been released, they're saying that Bitcoin is part of a greater conspiracy and is also controlled by the Rothschilds. Oh no, don't nod. Is that true?
Yes. Yes. That is right. Yes. It is a national security strategy to. So let's look at Bitcoin, okay? And the idea of Bitcoin is that it is an open ledger where you can secretly conduct all interactions, right? And so what? So why Bitcoin is valuable is, first of all, it's a store of value. It's a store of wealth because it's rare. The second is that it is anonymous, right? So like you're a drug dealer and you can use Bitcoin, right? So who does this benefit? It benefits CIA because CIA is the most notorious drug trafficker and human trafficker in the world, and so it allows them to conduct all these operations secretly. It also allows them to spy on
Whoa, the CIA created Bitcoin?
regimes like North Korea and the Iranians in order to access more information. It makes perfect sense for the CIA to create this sort of thing. The other thing you need to ask is like, what's the capacity to create this thing, right? Because it can't be this random guy working in his basement for a number of years. Because why won't we get credit? Why won't we monetize this, right? So the agency in the United States that is very good at creating things like the internet, GPS, is DARPA, which is the think tank of the Pentagon, right? So it could be NSA, it could be CIA, it could be DARPA, like who knows? But it's deep state. And if it's going into the history of Bitcoin, it's very suspicious.
So who do you think is the founder of Bitcoin? It's still anonymous, correct?
Yeah, I wouldn't know the individual, but it's probably NSA, CIA, DARPA. Yeah.
So, Professor Jen, what am I supposed to invest my money in? Where could I, where do I put the wealth that I've acquired?
Question should be asking is, what is money?
So if fiat currency is controlled by the Federal Reserve, if it's controlled by the Rothschild central banking system, it's not actually real. Bitcoin, as you're saying, is controlled by the CIA. If I buy real estate, it's going to be in America, which is a failing empire. If I buy, is it just gold? Is that the best?
Yeah, but then the question is like, where do you store this gold, right? And what are you going to use gold for? Yeah, you can have a lot of gold, but when the world goes to shit, right? I mean, like what's gold going to get you, right? So okay. Here's my theory. So there's something called the allegory of the cave by Plato. In the allegory of the cave, everyone is chained to the floor, right? And the neck is shackled, so you can't move around. You're just staring at a wall. Behind everyone is a fire, and then there are people, the power elite, that have puppets, and they project these puppets onto the wall, and so you're seeing a shadow world, okay, like it's a movie projector. And people, because they don't know any other reality, they see that they think that the shadow reality is the real reality, and they give it names, they imagine it to be true. And because they imagine it to be true, then it becomes true. And that's a perfect metaphor to describe the financial system that we live in today, right? Money, wealth, it's an illusion. It does, I mean, it's just literally paper. But we imagine it to be true, and it focuses our attention, and we want more of it. What we don't recognize is that what true wealth is our imagination. What true wealth is our connection with each other. Because we get together,
And that's the thing is like money, as he says, is it doesn't exist. It's a figment, right? And the whole game is created to force you to have to make money. You get a job, then you drive down the street, you get a parking ticket. So haha, you have to go back and you have to go back to your job, right? Then you have to pay taxes. Then you have to, if you want to get a house, you have to pay a mortgage. Then you get a parking ticket or a speeding ticket or some random fine from how long ago. Or you go education route, you get a degree, but haha, you're in debt, right? They always force you this construct to have to get money, which money like financially doesn't even exist. Money don't even exist. They print it from a machine and force your environment to where you have to make money to survive. But in my opinion, it becomes this game of like, okay, well, can you change the game? Can you change the game? Well, no, not really. Right? The things that you want in this matrix, which has been created, is all about making money. So the goal now becomes about smart ways, efficient ways, ethical ways to make money and then use that money to live the life however you want. Because most people are living in survival, you need to figure out a way in which you can create, right? In which you can take 2, 3, 4 weeks off to do whatever you want to do. So you can sit down and draw art, whatever you want to do. But you can't do that. Can't do that if you're broke. If you're broke, you can't do that, right? And this is why it's so important that you just don't go and blow your money, right? It's why you don't go out and when the market's down, you start blasting all your portfolio on one single trade. There's no need for that, right? It's the reason why you're patient, why you let your money compound, why you're disciplined with your money, why you're focused, right? And why you create new things. When new opportunities come, when OpenClaw comes out, you don't need to fud it. Why not try it? Why not try build something with it, right? When there's opportunities in this game, very brief opportunities to make money, jump in there with 2 feet, you know? And yet some guy says the best conspiracy theory. Well, it's the funny thing is he is repeating the same conspiracy theories that people have been saying for the longest. He's just explaining it in a different way that is allowing people to actually digest and understand this information because he's explaining it in the right way, and he's made some predictions which have turned out to be right. So people automatically presume that he's an authority, which he is. So I'm glad that people are finally coming to these things. If I made videos years ago on Allegory of the Cave, got 300 views, right, when I first started out. And I was super passionate about this stuff. I'm super passionate about the Allegory of the Cave, and all of these different theories and stuff like that as well, because I do think that it's important, right? I spoke about it in this video. If it loads, it won't even need to load. But these things are true, and that is the game that we play. It's just about how are you going to be able to take advantage of it. If you get a method and it's working, take it, bro, for all you can. Yeah, most conspiracy theories are just turn out to be true. Like most conspiracy theories nowadays are just true. But you're right. He's one of the best. He's one of the best at them. Best countries to live in as a trader. It used to be Dubai. Now probably Asia, Southeast Asia, Thailand. As a trader, you want to go somewhere. The thing is, as a trader, you want to go somewhere where your day-to-day expenses are very low. Because you're going to have up days, you're going to have down days, you know? No, it's not high tax. I'm also long on oil right now. Percolator. I'm still waiting on that, man. I need Percolator to do some good shit. Hopefully we get this pattern on Agent. And not this pattern. Oh, you live in the Philippines? You don't pay any taxes? Nice. There's no CA. Oil is like, it's the actual token. So you join Blowfin. You can join Blowfin here. In the chat. And then you could just long it. It's like actual oil, you know? I'm mainly trading for a little 5% gain. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Mm, nah, punch is not looking good. I was waiting for the real and duct tape to the chair update. Likely. Yeah, what do you guys think of Solana funded? Oh, useless. I missed out on $2 million, bro. I'm not gonna lie. For no reason as well. I closed it. I shouldn't have closed the position. Those are ones you gotta live with. And that's why, like, I don't mind now going into like downswings of like 20, 30, 40K because like sometimes you gotta hold that position. You gotta sleep on it as well. You gotta be able to sleep on it. Yeah, I'm in distorted actually. I put my stop loss just below the 886, but I'm in. Not crazy risk, but I'm in. Exactly, bro. It's like with this Solana funded thing, like how are they gonna pay it out if somebody hits a crazy lick, you know? What if somebody makes $2 million? Are they gonna be able to pay that out? because that's entirely possible with crypto, especially like if you're buying a funded account for like a couple $100, you're gonna hold positions way longer. It's such a great concept. I understand it and I would support it, but you got to see the payouts first. I'll close the punch position. I may have closed out on a banger. This could be a nice strong reversal, but yeah, in my opinion, it needs to be stronger. I've seen like how white whale and that type of stuff. Like this here should have been the bounce. I think. Could be very wrong, but my yellow line, it's just Fibonacci, bro. So I'll show you. So looking at something like Agent, I said I'm going to come in and buy it on day 2. And for a good entry on day 2, I want a 70 or 80% correction. The first 70-80% correction. So you can see here, we bounced nicely from 280. I've DC'd up a little bit. We're now tapped 500. And then this is the range I'm going to play. All the way down to 180k. It's kind of my range. I want to see a stronger like this. I like. Nice big bounce off the 786. I like it. And then we need future catalysts. A good future catalyst for the token is it has, if you go on the page, click tokenize agent, go to payments. They have 131 SOL. And they haven't done a buyback in the last 3 hours. Most buybacks it's done is $165. I think maybe because they haven't set up the agent, which is the reason why it's not buying back anymore, but it's done a few buybacks already, so I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. I mean, it's going to be pretty gay for the for Pump Fun if they're not sharing tech to trending, no?
Smash some cunt in it next week. We're meeting friends of these fucking fucking niggas. Aye, fuck off! Fuck off, you fucking... You know what? Yeah! No, it's funny! Nee! Aye, fucking little fucking...
Oh, we couldn't get off call out because she was there. Couldn't get called out because Anya.
That's a good new creation play, but for distorted, I see Marco ask. I agree. I think this is bid range. I have a nice initial entry at the 786. DC into the 886. Need to pull this down a little bit. This here is my DCA range. Depends how the market wants it. Sometimes these narratives recently, especially, have been fading off so fast. But something like this would be nice. Sheep was a good one at the 886. So something like this is nice. New TP here. Bro bought $1,000 at 30k market cap. I don't really filter by holders. It depends on your strategy, how you want to do your filters, you know? Don't know that the dev's still holding. I like Agent Sheep. For a new pair, it's nice. I don't even think that tweet even matters. How bullish is a dev buy and sell? Oh, some open claw narrative. Fusion has been integrated into Binance Square. Looking at Binance Open Claw group chat. Okay. I'm hoping the chart gives me enough time to do DDs. Oh, it's inside of Binance Square. How many followers has this little Coco got? It's the thing about Asian narratives. Well, hopefully it goes to the moon. Yeah, I don't even know how to judge these. I think I just TP $300. It's hard to judge these narratives. You can judge it based on the chart. Fuck me, the chart don't look great. You could come back and this thing could be 500k, and I'll be like, fuck. I can't do nothing. I can't even read the website. P is P, exactly. We're up $500 on Smith as well. I think Smith is probably the best chart for a good long-term reversal. It has the catalyst of just buying back more and more supply of the tokens, but I'm just not sure why it's had no buybacks for 5 hours. Is the dev just doing manual buybacks? That's bearish, no? Insanely strong bounce. I'm going to de-risk a little bit. Oof. Oil 101. I think oil can do a 110 for sure. Coming to 786, which is also a fair value gap, as you guys know. It doesn't have to close it though with how volatile it's been. Fucking 20%. That's insane. This is probably going to flip the other one. No, I don't track any wallets. I have them tracked like outside of it, but I don't. Agent mode should be better. Things are really struggling to break out on this. Gonna TP. That might be a bad take profit, but astral projection. What? Mm, nice. Yeah, I don't like tracking wallets as well because it makes you trade different. Wow, look at that. We should break all-time high with this momentum, unless somebody one clips. Maybe not. Foolish coin.
I do. So in Korea, they love to trade what's called meme coins. These are kind of silly coins, a joke name, a thing like that, that is not based in much, but just it's popular. So Koreans love to trade these high risk assets because I think that their stock market itself is a bit boring. Samsung, LG, these giant chaebols, they don't move that much, and people want some of that move, so they go to crypto. So overall, I feel that in parts of Asia, the risk appetite is higher, but regulators don't want that.
Oh
They don't want
wow.
people to lose their entire retirement savings on a meme coin. So the question will be, how do you give people access to some kind of
I like
cryptocurrency
foolish
that will
coin.
yield, but still protect them from a crypto crash?
What do you think, Angela?
Yeah, I think consumer protection has been very much top of mind for regulators.
It's mid because it don't have a name, but the narrative's good. It's getting smashed though, isn't it? I don't know who the hell marked up this price 2x. Oh, already selling off. At least we left that with some good profit though. We left the whole exchange in some nice profit. That was a bundle then. Bundled at 2x. I mean, not even like you don't even need to track what is to avoid. Like, I just don't even want to give them the attention, you know? Foolish coin is so good. Question is like, are people actually gonna buy it? I'm just gonna hold this because it's memeable and I like it. If it runs, it runs. It might be the unks talking to me about all these lucky coin, this coin, that coin. When it ends in coin, sometimes they go well. My candle is so big. Thank you, bro. It's because I brought back my old Bullex wallet. I brought the Bullex wallet out of retirement. How much would you pay to live in Thailand? Thailand's one of those places where it's completely up to you, bro. Like you can choose how little or how much you want to spend. You can live the high life, or you can live the backpacker life. Both are good. What the hell is POW? Ew, what is this chart? Good image, good ticker, but what's from Banner intern? No tax on crypto, yeah. No tax on crypto when currently buying and selling across Bullx and GMGN. What makes you do that, bro? So I'm just looking for some food. I've been like so hungry and tired since I got back from Bali. I mean, we're holding 40k, which is bullish for this coin as well. I don't want to just sit and stare at the chart because I'll probably shake myself out. I just found the baddest pancakes, chat. Banana and strawberry. Okay, let me get a drink as well with that. Water and kale with some ginger, no ice. 250 mg. Go on then. Okay, we're at 50k now. Yeah. Silly is good. GG's everyone that's in. Slender Pepe. Am I tripping or is that Chrome? Okay. Wow. Holy fuck. We're gonna get volume vamp. We're gonna get volume vamp. Okay, initials out just in case we get volume vamp. That's a crazy bundle. What the hell? I'm just gonna hold both. See what happens, isn't it? Oh, there's one on B&B. Terrible chart though. Yeah, silly is ripping. I trimmed out my initials in case I get volume vamp. Yeah, this was a weird ass bundle, this. Crazy entry though. Look at that. 8K entry. It ran to 30. I'm just gonna hold now. If it wants to go to 500K, feel free. Wow. Wow, bro. That was the weirdest, like back to back little run. We didn't even make like too much on that because the bonding's so low. Need money for Porsche. What do I think about Chud? I just seen that comment on X. What is which Chud though? Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I must have what? Alright, 1 second, guys. My cat is just. Chat, show me Chud. Give me the alpha on this. Is this gonna go to like 5 mil or something? What is this chart? 1 second. Yeah, guys, what do you think of Chud then? Mrs. was just at war with a animal. What are we saying about Chud? It's a beautiful chart, isn't it? I'm I'm never good at. Wait, Jack Duval's in. I don't know about that. Oh, Alex Troy now. They're launching. I think that's good for the space. I'm not gonna lie. As long as they hold supply and run it to a couple mil. Delayed bundle as well. Wow. Interesting method. We actually have a chart, chat. Uh-oh. Is oil turning down already? We may need to cut the position on oil. Let's see where this candle closes. We've got an hour. Bro, why are they selling on my candle? If anyone ever sells my candle, I'm just gonna sell, bro. I'm gonna, if I buy it and someone, if the chart doesn't go up, I'm out of that bitch, bro. Yeah, I think Silly's got another leg in it. For sure. I mean, bro, it's never that deep, trust me. In terms of the Thailand research. It's never that deep. I think we clip here. Oh, Agent Smith. To be fair, the candles are okay. It's good job we de-risked on Agent Smith out there. We're okay for that. How's Distorted doing? Distorted is bouncing nicely. Hey, GG's. Tom. Nice. Tom in chat, did you get your entry at the 86? I know a few people in chat were getting their entries. Bro, who even pays taxes on crypto? Yeah, like, yeah. It's never that deep, bro, trust me. Wow, Jack, Shara, and Xander all in the same chart. MVC.
Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Let the shoulder go, let the shoulder go. Oh, needed that. Let's rock. Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on.
So where are we gonna get our entry?
Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate.
Alright, chat. Wait.
Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate.
Hold on a minute, geezer. Hold on a minute, geez. Follow that choke. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna run in it. I need entry though. I need entry when it runs for sure. So is it called tune or tune? I'm not gonna lie, it looks like it says tune.
Hold on. Follow that tune. Hold on a minute, Si. In here, mate. Hold on.
Tune. It's a 50-50, low key. No, Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith. Agent Smith. Guys, chat, are you guys still going back and forth on the But I don't care. I seen what Shara did, but no offense, I don't. I'm not gonna copy trade him. I'm gonna buy both. I'm gonna buy both. It is tune. It is follow that tune, but follow that tune is better for SEO, and I think that's what TikTok's gonna say. They're not gonna put tune. They're gonna say tune. And the main one says follow that tune, so
Oh, hold on. Follow that tune.
I have got entry on a different device. No, tune price can go to a mil, bro. Why is Neo flipped Agent Smith? Like what? What the hell? Neo's flipped Agent Smith with no. I'm gonna cut my position here because there's too much PvP. We've got Neo versus this. Oh, I'm in profit. Tune should run. I'm gonna try to provide liquidity for it as well. This should get amazing volume. I'll be back in a moment, chat. Just gonna get my pancakes. Come on. Hmm. All right, chat. I caught my position on Smith because I seen that this Agent Neo is like the same price as Smith. It's a bit weird. Tune, I'm gonna hold Tune because it is viral. Not the best holders though. I do think it is going to be a viral dance though. Yeah, I know. Trenches are dark. What's a cellbot? What do you mean a cellbot? Oh, that's so weird, bro. That's crazy. Do you hold a Neo as well? I mean, the Neo chart is a lot, does look a lot better. I've realized now as well, Phantom trending is like, it has all the alpha. It's crazy how slow new pairs are right now. Reminds me of like March before. Like last March. Exactly the same. I'm gonna close the oil position. I stay in Thailand. Sometimes I travel. The hell? Well, Erica recruited 200k now. I think it's like what, 40? This Agent Optimus might bond. But I'm gonna wait for the bond. Made like $100. Best city in Thailand is Phuket, bro. Like, Bangkok is okay. Whoa, what's this? Bangkok is okay, but Thailand is way better. Dakota Johnson. This is like Switchy Sweeney, no? Sydney Sydney Sweeney. Don't like the bundle chart though, bro. This should be. How viral is it?
After seeing the Dakota Johnson Calvin Klein photo shoot, yeah, bro, I can't be gay. I can't be gay. I don't know. I can't be gay. That made me realize. After
Oh, there's an OG. They pay Dex. The OG with Dex paid pre-migration. The thing is, they're not wrong. Well, these guys paid Dex for it as well. Yo, Dex gonna make so much money. Holy fuck. Ew. Sorry, man. They nuked my candle. Relaunch. That bear is a relaunch. Silly on clearance. Clearance. Yeah. Tune is like. Tune is very good. Tune is very good. I'm not gonna lie.
flex up, stretch out, big bands. Whoa, whoa.
Alright, boys, we're running back to the Resma Method. Gonna go ask people about what meme coin they would bid. Let's get it.
Which meme coin would you guys bid if you had to bid one? Which one would you bundle?
Peace and quiet? Yeah, that doesn't add up. That doesn't add up.
Which one would you choose? C7?
So crazy how internationally. What is this? No. Old books, no one cares. Tune. Ripping. Nah. Huh? Loki is actually getting memed. What do you guys think? Do you guys think Tune goes high? Is it as viral as Scuba? I think Scuba's a lot more viral, no? Scuba! Scuba! I don't know what silly is either. What is silly that's on clearance? Scuba! Scuba! Let me know what you guys want to learn as well. If you want me to drop some alpha. I'm gonna try to get hold of one of the boyos. Scuba. Probably gonna take a day or two for Scuba to really get going. First leg to 1.2 mil is nice though. The strong 786 bounce. 9 days old as well. Let's see.
Especially in the last 3 years, if we 3 4 years, if we look back to 2022, we saw, basically the collapse of a major cryptocurrency exchange at the time, FTX, due to internal fraud, and the knock-on effects of that.
So this is a good point about the trenches. A lot of people are saying there are no good devs left. Some guy here says no good devs left. Good devs spent 5 grand and 300 hours building. Aruga spent $300 and 15 minutes copy and pasting. Good devs do a coin as a 3x and Aruga does a 50x. And that's true. Like, I know a lot of good devs who spend a lot of money paying for deck screener, paying for Moby, CoinGecko, paying for trending on different sites, holding up the chart with debt buybacks. And yeah, cashback really doesn't help that. I understand where they were going for making cashback to allow traders to get some money back. But then it just became some alpha product that they released on a different terminal to give that terminal advantage over the other people. And I didn't really think it through long term, because after a day or two, the market adjusted and realized that, wait a second, if I see a coin that's running with a dev who's paying and running the project, then what I can do is I can just relaunch that exact same coin with cashback. Everybody will go buy the cashback one. But then what happens after 2 or 3 days when there's no dev to hold and push and consistently create and update the community for a cashback coin, because he has no reason to. Most devs are not good traders. They're not going to hold the coin long term. Cashback, in my opinion, is not the best step in the right direction. In my opinion, we should just go back to where it was. Simple, right? Simple. No cashback, no GitHub, repo, claim the fees nonsense, right? None of that stuff. And just keep it simple. Simple meme coins. You buy the meme if you like the meme, and that's it. If you want to keep moving in this new direction, we should start looking at liquidity over anything else, and listings, CEX listings over anything else. Think about it. Why didn't 6-7 run very high? 6-7 should have been multiple hundreds of millions. Well, they didn't have money for listings, and they didn't have sufficient liquidity, and they didn't have maybe market makers, right? These are the key things to really take a coin to the next level, and that's where pump funds should really be looking at. If we want to get back to $100 million runners, we need more liquidity, we need more CEX listings. There was on the right step with the Mexi stuff. What happened to the Mexi stuff? That was great. So I don't really know where they go forward with this. I'm interested to know what your guys' thoughts are. I think Tune runs. I think Tune can do 300-400K. I just don't want to get in when there's so much supply held between just like KOLs.
Hey guys, I'm here in Dubai Hills Mall. It's 2 p.m. now, as you can see.
Volatility was a gift to the faithful. It scares away the tourist.
What's this? See, I can't even bid tech now. I'd normally slam this, but
Not even burnt a bean. What are you doing to me lately? Beautiful coffee, beautiful. Right, let's go to the gym, have a pump. What do you reckon of this one? You like this one? Do you like this one? Proper tunage, this one.
Literally, I'm quit right now. I literally quit, but I'm just not gonna.
boy Sway Lee. But most importantly, shout out Stay Back Combos. Go get a tattoo on our back. Buy one, get one free if we get a tattoo. Against the insurance, you don't know how to play the 21.
I'll afford it, I promise, bro.
Alright, we lost by 21, but doesn't matter. Stake on me, stake on me. 1, 2, 3, stake. Oh, yo.
No, we have enough slurs for AI, bro. When are they turning back on the buybacks for these agents? When am I going to enter tune? I decided 886. 20k. If it comes, it comes. If it don't, it
All
don't.
the people in government didn't position themselves correctly.
Ew. Hmm. Anyway, chat. I'm gonna go chill out. Probably hit the sauna, and I'll be back on for American hours. We made some decent money today. Couldn't make any. Whoa. No way. I'm gonna buy Optimus. Right, yeah, couldn't make any crazy calls. Optimus, I'm gonna go with it. Because I think Optimus can do well. Fits the narrative and it's an agent. If they hold the bundle, I think it can run. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. That's it for me for today. I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. One love. Peace.